Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another Erica Farm Productions video. I am at the San Fernando and Arvilla railroad crossing. As you can see, it's actually being rebuilt. So if you remember, so some of my previous videos, this crossing was actually smaller than what it's going to be now. Right where that working signal is, that's where the old railroad crossing used to cross by. It was a single lane in each direction, and the old railroad crossing here used to have two Safe-Tran Type 3 high-pitch electronic bells. But as you can see, they decided to rebuild this crossing. And they're installing new signals as well to accommodate for the new size of the crossing. But yeah, just a quick little update video, just because I was curious about, the work that was going on here. So yeah, these bells are no longer going to be Safe-Tran Type 3 high-pitch electronics. I think these are going to be either General Signals Type 2 or General Signals Type 3 electronic bell. It's a progress rail, a base, and I think it's the same for the others. They have not installed the crossing gates yet. They just have the signals. So yeah, this is the line where Metrolink and Union Pacific trains go by. This one goes to the Antelope Valley area and beyond. So you can see Progress Rail. This is actually a Western Cullen-Hayes gate mechanism, and I believe it's the same for the rest. You can see the lights are actually not, they're inverted right now just because they're not in use, but they will turn them around when they activate the crossing. Yeah. And there's some more stuff happening there. Alright, so this signal does not have any concrete foundation yet, but they do have it mounted here. So you can see Progress Rail and Western Cullen-Hayes mechanism for the gate. Alright, looks like we got a train coming, so I believe that's a container train, because I can see the position of the lights. It's not a Metrolink. However, at this time the train will not go through because it has a red signal, which means that it has a red signal on the other signal that's before this one. So, but yeah, I might not have time to film that train because I do have to leave the area. But if the signal turns green and I'm still here, I'll definitely record it. But for now, let's just finish up the crossing tour. Alright, so I believe that does it for the overview of the crossing as well as the update. So thanks for watching. Like I said, there's a train over there, and if the signal turns green and I'm still in the area, I will record it. Otherwise, this is the end of the video, and I do hope that you enjoyed this little crossing update. Just wanted to share that because, you know, in the past I've done some crossing update videos, and I think they're fun. There's some other crossing updates that I need to make actually, and in Long Beach, California. There's some updates that I would like to share, but yeah. Okay guys, so alright, if the train comes, see you in the next clip. Otherwise, goodbye for now.